This is Helpscreen and this is how to cancel JustFit subscription. So this is step-by-step guide, so follow along. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to your settings, and then after that guys, tap on the Apple ID. And then after that guys, tap on the subscription. And then from there, you will get a list of all of your active subscription. And underneath, there are the expired ones as well. And you will be able to see the dates when the next payment is due to be taken from your account. And next, guys, just tap on Just Fit on the active subscription section. And then after that, you will have an option to cancel subscription at the bottom of the screen. Just tap on it and a pop-up will come up, and tap on confirm cancellation. And then from there, guys, you will not be charged anymore. And the great thing is you can use this app until the subscription date was originally due. And also, guys, deleting JustFit app or your JustFit account will not cancel your subscription, and a subscription renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. So, guys, there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.